Ideoli is back on the road with our clients in Orlando, Florida. We have been working over the last several months conceptualizing, designing, and fabricating a truly unique decorative light fixture for a nationally recognized retailer. Today we are on site to receive the shipment from our factory and oversee the installation process, making sure this showcase piece is properly presented. Ideoli founders George Strumboulis and Chris Hartswick always make it a point to be on site with the client during the first store installation. Their dedication to making sure the client's vision is realized is their top priority and the foundation of the business they created. The client envisioned something on a piece of paper and left the rest to us. After months of renderings, prototypes, and adjustments, the team agreed on the final design and we rolled into the production process. Having our fixture be the focal point of an 8,000 square foot retail space is truly exciting and humbling. With a custom design, imported quality materials, and an advanced LED color changing system, this diamond will help drive more attention to the store, generate interest from potential customers, and help with increasing overall store revenue. That's what it's all about. Visit Ideoli online and stay connected with us socially.